look
a lot
at,
of
oh
them
my
have
gosh.
a light
Thanksgiving, and Ella really wants my pie. Sorry.
Is she looking at it still?
She's looking at it, but
Yeah.
Ella was trying to bite my pie earlier. Ella, can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa and Christopher? Yeah.
Ella.
Hi, Grandma, Grandpa, Christopher.
Oh,
Ooh,
Ella.
they're teasing you, Ella.
No, she didn't do it. She was opening her mouth earlier for it, right, Al? Ooh, didn't that look good?
She just.
Does that look good?
Look at her.
Oh, that'll look
looking
better
at
on her
that.
face.
I was just trying to grab
all
it.
over her face.
Just let her.
Yeah. Good, huh?
She's drooling. She wants it so bad. Come on, just let her have it. Jeez.
No, she's not going for it anymore, though. Yeah, can you say Happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving, Ella. Put this on YouTube. Oh, good smile.